Hello student, you know about this. Today's our chapter name is weather and climate, and I already discussed what is weather, what is climate, and difference between weather and climate. So today's our next topic is factors influencing climate. Number one is distance from the equator, height above the sea level. Number three, distance from the sea. And number four, direction of wind. And number five, humidity and rainfall. So the sun is the main source of the heat and light on earth, and thus is influence the climate of a place to a great extent. And first point is distance from the equator. So all parts the earth do not receive the same amount of sunlight, and next, sun rays fall directly over the equator and spread over a small area, making this region hotter. Then number three is the rays becomes slanting towards the poles due to was these areas are colder. Okay, these are pointer distance from the equator. And then number two, height above the sea level. Altitude means height. Okay, so as we move to higher altitudes, there is a decrease in temperature. This is due to the difference of the altitude above the sea level. Next, the air closer to the earth's surface is dense and the absorbed more heat. This makes place at lower altitude hotter. And then the atmosphere is thinner at high altitudes. Then it absorbs less heat, making the places in hilly areas cooler. Okay. Then now I discuss distance from the sea. Places near the sea coast experience moderate climate. This is due to the sea breeze which blows from the sea to the land, and coastal location tend to be cooler in summer and warmer in winter than other location in the plains. And regions far from the coast above extreme climates, that is summers are very hot and winters are very cold. You look at this right here, sea breeze. The heat of the sun warms up the land faster than the sea. During the day, the air above it get heated and the warm air rises up. But the sea and the air above it are cooler. And cool air from the sea blows towards the land. Coals it. This cool air is a sea breeze. Okay, so I think you understand sea breeze. Then is land breeze. At night, the land and the air above it cool more quickly than the sea. Warm air from the sea rises and makes room for cold air above land to blow towards the sea. This is known as land breeze. Okay, so you got it? These are land breeze. Okay, next is direction of winds. Winds also influence the climate of a place. Wind may be hot, cold, or moist depending on the place from which they blow. When they blow from hot regions like winds from Rajasthan to Delhi and to Agra, they cause hot summers, and the cold wind from the Himalayas make the climate cold in northern India. So the monsoon winds bring with them rainfall. Next, the winds from the sea make the climate cool and moist. Next, you look at this point is humidity and rainfall. Humidity is the amount of moisture in the air. Humid air affects the climate of the place and also brings rainfall. Okay, then coastal areas are humid because the wind blowing from the sea brings almost of moisture. Then rainfall also affects the climates of a place, and colder regions have snowfall. snowfall. Okay, then rain gauge is an instrument used to measure rainfall. So you understand this topic, humidity and rainfall. What is humidity? Humidity is the water vapor in the air. Okay.